How to edit fonts in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to talk about how you could edit your Squarespace website like the font. Now to edit the font, you're simply going to look over here on the left side and you're going to click on design. Over here, you're going to click on site styles and you would be able to see this information or options over here on the right side. As you can see, we have this font option over here. You can simply click this and you would be able to choose different font pack for your website. As you can see here, you could switch this to different packs that is available in Squarespace. You could have sans serif, serif, and mixed option over here. As you can see, we have a lot of different options that you could use. You could also change the base size, the heading, paragraph, buttons, miscellaneous, and assign styles to your font. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.